Hi, seventh graders. It is Friday, March 5th, and I am not going to be in class today. So Miss Sieber is subbing for me, and she's going to go over what you need to do today. But this is ultimately what you need to do, these three things. So first, even though you don't have live class with me, you still need to sign into your Google Meet for attendance and to check in with Miss Sieber. She's going to then instruct you to watch the Bill Nye the Science Guy Simple Machines video. And that's linked in your design notebook, and I'm going to show you where that's located in a moment. And then while watching that video, you need to respond to the questions in your design notebook about the simple machines from the video. So I'm going to show you where all that's located. You need to be in your design notebook for that. And so make sure you're in your Rube Goldberg design notebook. And we are on day number 3. So if you click on day number 3 here, it's going to bookmark it and take you straight to where you need to be. Remember to write your daily goal, and your essential question is here. And so for your main activity then for day number 3, scroll down. There's an introduction reading here that I'd like you to read through. And after you read through that, then you will see you are at the spot for the Bill Nye the Science Guy video. And so to access that, you can click on the link on the left-hand side here, and that'll take you to the YouTube video that you're going to watch. And I'm going to pause it now. You can watch that on your own time. It's about just over 20 minutes. And while watching that, you need to list the different types of simple machines that you saw, and you're going to just list them in the chart here. And from day number 2, your assignment was to learn about the simple machines of real-life examples and what they are. So if you need to do a quick refresher of what each of these simple machines are, it might help you as you go through the video. And so you're going to be listing as many of these as you can, and it's going to be throughout the video that you see different examples of these simple machines. So try to list as many as you can. Additionally, you can also answer these questions here. They do go in order. It's just fill in the blank. So wheels, ramps, and pulleys are all forms of simple machines. That would be your first answer, but the rest of them are in the video. Just try to catch all of them, and obviously you can rewind and pause it if you need to. But your assignment is to watch the video, fill out these questions, and then you would be ready for day number 4. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, and I will be able to get back to you over the weekend. And I'll see you for day number 4 then on Tuesday next week.